APS-C lens for Sony camera, wide angle. In the box you will find all kinds of papers, cap and all you need. The lens itself looks awesome. It's a bit heavy compared to the APS-C camera, which is small and light. We have autofocus, a manual focus switch, dedicated button, you can customize that button, whatever you like, and power zoom. And the power zoom is very, very smooth. Let me just turn it on. There's literally no noise, noiseless. It's a smooth power zoom. It's an ultra premium lens. It's a G lens, the top G lens. Kit lens for the ZVE 10, 16 to 50. A little bit of colors for you. It's time to switch to the wide angle G lens. It is wide, 10 to 20, very wide. You can have more in the frame, it's better. Clear image, defocusing. Is the background defocus? That is the question. By the way, we can go all the way to 20, which is cool for macro. You can do macro with it. Look at it. Whew. Now that is a lens. Oppo experience. 17, product showcase. Is it available? That is the question. This is a wide-angle lens without any video stabilization. It's not great like in the smartphones. I mean, you can improve that in Catalyst and post-production. That is a very wide view and great for vlogging. A fantastic, full length of my arm. Fantastic for vlogging, my friend. The best experience for vlogging. No video stabilization and with video stabilization. You see the crop? A little bit of crop. Full length of my arm. It's still wide. It's still really good for vlogging. Very wide. Can we see the whole graffiti? Not quite, but very wide. How's the video stabilization? That is the question. Well, is it going to work in a full frame camera? Yes, it does work. Look how wide it is for the full frame. That is crazy. And with active video stabilization for the ZVE1, now that is the #1 for vlogging. Do we see any vignetting? Let's hope not. If we do, okay, let me just walk around a little bit. Do we see any vignetting? Wow, that is wide. For vlogging, look at the video stabilization. That is nice. If we see any vignetting, we can zoom a little bit to like, I don't know, 14. It's still 15. It's still very, very wide. And it's way lighter than the full frame lens. So for vlogging, this will be fantastic. Let me just put it on the tripod. There you go. Take that Sony mic. Look how close can we get. Way closer. Okay, that's the limit. Way closer than with the full frame, for example, 16 millimeters. Twice as close. With the 16 millimeters in the full frame, you will have to zoom. This one you can do it in wide angle, which I think it's better to do it in wide angle. Talk about the G lens. And yeah, that's all I have. Link in the description. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye.